Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn a useful Excel tip that can save you time and effort when dealing with comma separated data. Yes, we will show you how to quickly convert the data into separate column. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step is to ensure that your comma separated data is ready for conversion. Make sure the data is in a single column like this, with each value separated by comma. Here I am having a lots of data in a single column. So now first what I am going to do, I am going to select this entire column and I am going to paste it in a separate sheet. Okay. Yes. Now select the entire range of data that you want to convert into column like this. Then go to the data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the data tools group, you will find a button called text to column. Click on it to open the convert text to column widget. So here you will find convert text to column widget page will open. So in the first step of this widget, we will need to specify the data type. If your data only contain text, you can leave them in the default option delimited. Okay, and select next to continue. In this step, you will choose the delimiter that separate your data. Since we are dealing with a comma separated value, select the comma and untick the tab options from here. And now you can see a preview of how your data will be split below. Here you can see. If everything looks correct, click next to continue. In this step, you have the option to format the destination of your converted data. Okay, so by default Excel will place the new column to the right of your original data. So if you prefer different location, you can choose destination and specify the cell where you want the data to begin. So from here you can select the destinations. Once you are satisfied with your choice, click finish to complete the process. Okay, click on finish. Congratulations, you have successfully converted your comma separated data into separate columns. Take a moment to review the result and ensure that everything is formatted as you expected. So now I am going to show you one more trick where you have a separate data like this. Okay, and you want to merge those data in a single cell with comma separated value. This can be useful when you want to combine data from different columns into a single column. Suppose I am going to merge these two columns. I am going to create one formula. For that I have to select this cell, and now here I have to type is equal to and select the cell, which cell you want to merge. Suppose B1, then and sign, ampersand, inverted comma, start inverted comma, then comma, then again inverted comma, ampersand, and now select the cell, which cell you want to merge. Suppose C1. Now click over here. Voila, we have done it. Take a moment to review the merge cell and ensure that the value are combined correctly with comma separated. So after entering the formula, select the cell with the formula and drag the field handle down to the last row where you want the merging to occur. Like this. This will automatically fill the formula for each corresponding now. Okay. So this is how you can convert comma separated data into a neat and structured format in just a few clicks. So that's it for this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. If you have any question regarding this, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.